You search for how to buy shares of Mercury General Corporation, and this video will walk through the steps using an example platform. Mercury General is an auto insurance company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MCY, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MCY to find Mercury General Corporation on NASDAQ. Double-check the company name and exchange to ensure you have located the correct listing. Open the stock page to view basic company information in a price chart for MCY. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker symbol to make sure this is the right asset before proceeding. Click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your MCY position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same walkthrough.